Good morning, students. In this class, I will cover how to create tables in HTML pages. Tables provides arranging data into rows and columns. For that, HTML provides tag table. Just like other tags, this also enclosed within angle brackets. We already know that table contains rows and that rows are defined by using tr tag. tr tag, and the row may contains header, and such type of header is specified by the tag th, and using th is optional. It need not, and that means every table need not to contain header row. Cell within the row is table data or cell data that is defined by the tag td. Here is the example. Observe that table tag encloses all other table row and data cells related tags. Here is the optional attribute, that is border equals 1. If border attribute is not used, then the table will be borderless. ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಕಾಣಲ್ಲ, ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆದರೆ we will not see any border for the rows and columns. Here is the row. This is the first row. Normally the first row will be the header row, contains column heading. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ th ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. th beginning and end, first name, last name and age. That means here is the row contains 3 cells or 3 data cells. So uniformity correct ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ every row should contains equal number of rows data cells. ಅವಾಗ ಅದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ರೆಕ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಗುಲರ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. But it's not always the case. Sometimes rows may contains uneven number of cells. ಅದನ್ನ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೇನೆ. And in the second row, that is tr opening and tr closing, table data cells are defined by td tag t. So these are the content. Jill Smith 50, these are the cell content, and this is the heading, and we can instead of th we can go for tr also, so it's the optional part. So now we'll go for example. Observe that it's a code little bit bigger than the previous code. The HTML starts here, ends here. Body, head section of the page is here, and this is the body, starts here and ends here. And the table contains many rows. Table is with the border 1 pixel width. This is the first row. Since I am providing the headers here, I will use th. By default, th cell contains displayed in bold letters and center aligned. This is the second row. Starts here, ends here. Third row starts here. Okay, extra tag is ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So try out this. Third row starts here. Fourth row starts here, ends here, and this is the fifth row. First one is the header row, th irutte, and other contains required data. When I open the code in the browser, that means if I store this code in a file and open that file in a browser, then I will get the display like this. The screenshot. Observe that first row contents are displayed in bold letters. The reason is that they are enclosed between th tags. th ಬದಲು tr ಸಹಿತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಆದರೆ th ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ಬೋಲ್ಡ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಲೈನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ this is one row, second row, third row, fourth row. Totally there are 5 rows including header rows. So now we'll go for demonstrating the code in the browser. Here is the code stored in a file and open it in a editor. Table starts here and ends here. When I open this file in a browser, I will get the display like this. Observe that this is the source code file. Right click. So the browser will display the code like this. See, left side is the actual code sent to the browser and that code is displayed in this style. If I change the information, for example, in place of Rajesh, if I make it as Ganesh, then I will store it, save the content and refresh the page. Rajesh ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಗಣೇಶ್ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Just a minute, I will refresh the page. See now content is. Let us check the source code received by the browser. Right click on the web page, empty area, go to view page source. There also you will get the same one. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಬ್ರೌಸರ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಹೋಗಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅದಷ್ಟು ಕೋಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಆಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So this is the source code opened by the browser. ಆದರೆ ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಕೋಡ್ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಕೋಡ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಕೋಡ್ ಎಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿದಂಥ ಎಡಿಟರ್ ಜೀನಿ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ನೋಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾಡ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ನೋಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾಡ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರೋ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು. ಹಾಗಂತ ವೆಬ್ ಪೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಬ್ರೌಸರಲ್ಲೇ ಎಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಸಾಧಾರಣವಾಗಿ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ. So here it completes demonstration of table